so I had to go to the sweet table. Got me some strawberries.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers. Clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure. 'Cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive.
Hi guys, it's Kay and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be giving you guys a vlog. Today I will be attending my best friend baby shower. I just wanted to come on really fast and say that it was a 30-minute vlog, but I definitely shortened it way down until 12 minutes because I know some of you may not want to sit through a 30-minute video and watch her open all of her gifts. Her baby definitely got a lot of stuff, and I just wanted to come on and say that. Hi guys, happy Sunday. So I just wanted to jump on really quick. I'm getting ready for my best friend baby shower, and I just wanted to show you guys what I all got her. Some of this like really fast. All right, so this is like the first outfit. This is the second. This is the third. And this here is a matching outfit. You guys can see it. This is really cute. And babe picked this out for like Christmas time. And I picked this out. And I'm gonna also go back and get the matching pants and bows. And that's so cute. And I got some bows. And I also got some diapers. And I got like some more stuff, but when she hold it up, I'll make sure I vlog and show you guys. So yes. Alright, so I also got a milestone plush blanket. This is so cute. And I got her another outfit. And I also got her some more bows. These are so freaking cute. I am so excited. I'll definitely vlog as soon as I get to the baby shower. I am extremely happy. This is my best friend's first baby. So yes, girl, like I'm so ready for her to get here also. So I'll definitely check back in once I get to the baby shower. Bye guys. Hey, this is from Tomika. Okay, this is from my friend Tomika. Raise your hand, Tomika. Oh, that is so cute.
Who has onesies on your card?
What color?
We have.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love that. Ladybug.
Baby bath, lotion, bubble bath.
This is from my friend Amber. Amber, raise your hand. Amber. We have a receiving blanket. Oh.
mostly breakfast.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Baby, who?
You know, for the plant.
Washcloth,
What cloth?
or birch cloth,
Yeah.
birch cloth, birch.
Oh, little child.
We got Johnson baby lotion. You gonna use? We got Johnson bedtime moisture wash.
That's good. Yeah, because it's lavender. Oh, yeah.
It works. It works.
It comes.
Johnson shampoo. And white. This is from my cousins, Raven and Gerard. Thank you.
Oh.
It's a 10-piece baby gift set.
What's in
The
there?
baby gift set has mittens, washcloths, pants, bib, t-shirt, hat, gloves, socks, baby suit.
Oh.
And a baby bather. Bather.
Yeah, I heard.
I didn't even look it up, child.
This is from Auntie KaySlaysIt.
Hi. Excuse me? What was that?
Okay, no more bingo.
Josh picked it out.
Oh, look, a different church to go with.
Right, I was thinking about church a lot.
Oh, that is pretty.
Listen,
Girl, gonna be big. That'll be a girl.
man, I was so excited. I was just going in.
No, she ain't gonna need no clothes. And Nickie had a clothes already hooked up in there.
That is pretty. I like them onesies.
I gotta get the matching bows and pants, girl.
Oh yeah, I like those bows.
Oh, those are pretty. You like it? Like it and go.
Got bows and some clothes, some nightwear,
Diapers.
diapers. This is still from Aunt KaySlaysIt. It's a milestone plush blanket. That is cute.
Yeah.
We have more bows.
Oh, I like them.
Them are pretty.
Ooh,
You can't fit it for the baby.
Oh, look. It is.
juice. You got style.
I like that.
Just say you got style. I like you.
Yeah.
Y'all take some strawberries over there too. She did those. Thank you, Wateria.
Wait, turn around, Nickie. Okay. She a girl.
Period, poo.
What they say, daddies of the cheek? Yeah.
Those are cute. Got a little head over there.
Baby, keep safe, hands-free.
Nickie.
No, I'm vlogging. You gotta talk out loud.
Don't be putting us on. Somebody, don't be putting us on there.
Y'all gonna be on YouTube.
For my friends Khadijah and Erica. Thank
Okay.
Yes, y'all brought the gift. Yes, yes.
You for real?
Yeah.
You must
Oh, you got that was cute.
you. Always be free.
You hear that weird? Always be free. She probably is. You got it right.
Oh,
Sorry.
I like that. Alright guys, so I had to go to the sweet table. Got me some strawberries, some candy, a cupcake, candy apple, and a Laffy Taffy. Some Laffy Taffies. Oh yeah, and these two.
Guys, okay, this is so cute.
It is. It's like for the thing.
I would like to thank everyone for coming. It was wonderful seeing everybody's faces and seeing how much Lyric is loved and I'm loved and supported. And I just want to thank you all so much and tell you how much I love you and appreciate you. Thank you.
Oh, I love you too. You're welcome, girl.